How to change your Cheller bank account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change your Cheller bank account which you use to send and receive money. So without any delay, let's get into it. Here I have opened the official website of Cheller, where in frequently asked question, we have the step-by-step solution of how can someone change their account. So firstly, we need to open the Cheller application on our device, and at the top left corner we need to click on settings. After that, in setting we need to go to account and then click on switch account. Once you choose the option of switch account, you will be disconnected with your current account and you will have the option to create a new account. But once you click on switch account option, you won't have access to your previous account and you will lose all the transaction history. So that's it. That is how easily you can change Shelley account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.